Make money on the Fed interest rate increase by www.options-trading-education.com. It seems certain that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates in December 2015. How can you make money on the Fed interest rate increase as an options trader? The Chicago Board Options Exchange lets you trade options on volatility on interest rates. Interest rate derivatives represent the largest asset class in the over-the-counter OTC market, with notional amounts in the trillions of dollars. CBOE Holdings has created the first standardized volatility measures for the fixed income and interest rate swap markets, including CBOE CBOT 10-year U.S. Treasury Note Volatility Index, TYVIX, CBOE Interest Rate Swap Volatility Index, SRVIX. The CBOE Interest Rate Swap Volatility Index was designed to standardize and simplify trading in the interest rate swap market, much as the CBOE Volatility Index, VIX Index, does in the equity market. The CBOE CBOT 10-year U.S. Treasury Note Volatility Index measures the expected volatility of the price of 10-year Treasury Note futures, a core instrument of the U.S. fixed income market. CBOE Holdings also offers options and futures contracts on these volatility benchmark indexes. To make money on the expected Fed interest rate increase, you can trade options on either of the two products listed. How does that work? 10-year U.S. Treasury Note Volatility Index, TYVIX. CBOE offers an introduction to the 10-year U.S. Treasury Note Volatility Index. The CBOE CBOT 10-year U.S. Treasury Note Volatility Index, ticker symbol TYVIX SM, uses CBOE's well-known VIX methodology to measure a constant 30-day expected volatility of 10-year Treasury Note futures prices and is calculated based on transparent pricing from CBOT's actively traded options on the T-Note futures. CBOE Futures Exchange, CFE, recently launched futures on TYVIX, ticker VXTY, which are the first exchange-traded contracts based on interest rate volatility that offer a standardized way of gaining exposure to forward implied interest rate volatility. The historical patterns of TYVIX in many cases exhibit upward spikes when 10-year Treasury note and futures prices experience large swings, especially on large downswings. Due to this dynamic, VXTY could provide a hedging mechanism for core instruments of the U.S. fixed income market, such as mortgage-backed securities and corporate, municipal, and government bonds. Take a look at the 10-year U.S. Treasury Note Volatility Index if you wish to hedge risk or make money with the expected Fed rate increase. Interest Rate Swap Volatility Index, SRVIX. Likewise, CBOE offers an introduction to the Interest Rate Swap Volatility Index, SRVIX. The CBOE Interest Rate Swap Volatility Index, CBOE SRVIX SM Index, is the first standardized volatility measure in the interest rate swap market, or indeed in the fixed income market. It is designed to standardize and simplify trading in the interest rate swap market, much as the CBOE Volatility Index, VIX, does in the equity market. The interest rate swap market is the largest over-the-counter derivatives market, with notional amounts in the trillions. Swaption expirations and swap tenors range from 1 month to 30 years and are denominated in multiple currencies. The CBOE SRVIX Index is based on 1-year swaptions on 10-year U.S. dollar interest rate swaps, a benchmark for the U.S. dollar interest rate swap market. The full ticker symbol of the index is SRVIX-ED, where E stands for a 1-year expiration and D for a 10-year tenor. Following the dominant swaption market convention, the CBOE SRVIX Index measures the basis point, volatility of the forward swap rate, that is, the volatility of changes in the forward swap rate, as opposed to percentage changes in the rate, as done for VIX. Similar to the CBOE VIX Index, the index is calculated from a strip of at and out of the money option prices, but with a different weighing scheme. Likewise, the Interest Rate Swap Volatility Index, SRVIX, will help you hedge risk or make money with the expected rate increase. For more insights and useful information about options trading, visit www.options-trading-education.com.